So in this digital age, the most important aspect is we all stay so occupied. हम लोग बहुत busy रहते हैं, बहुत occupied रहते हैं. सबके most of the cases में both the parents are working. So in that case, how do we go about de-addicting the child? मतलब बच्चे को कैसे मोबाइल से दूर रखा जाए जब हम खुद ही इतनी देर मोबाइल पे engaged रहते हैं और most of our work is on mobiles and laptops, right? But the fact is, it's the lack of awareness. Awareness नहीं है कि किस तरीके से पूरा time management और planning की जाए. अगर हम उस चीज को समझे, then definitely it can be worked out. So today we'll be talking about how to go about this. कैसे ये चीज execute की जाए. That अगर आप work कर रहे हो या even आप stay at home mom हो, you need some time for yourself. Tanya, is it not audible? I would like to again request everyone. Please tell me, is it audible or not? Team Two Dropper, can you please confirm whether is it audible? Yeah, it's audible. Thank you. So, Tanya ji, could you please log out and log in again? I can wait for a second. आप लोग एक बार देख लीजिए, अगर नहीं audible है तो आप बता दीजिए. Okay, thank you. तान्या जी, आप एक बार लॉग आउट करके लॉग इन कर दीजिए. आई एम श्योर मोस्ट ऑफ यू आर एबल टू हियर, तो आपका भी प्रॉब्लम सॉर्ट आउट हो जाएगा. लेट्स कंटिन्यू. सो आज की वर्कशॉप में, टुडेज वर्कशॉप, वी विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स व्हिच विल हेल्प यू de-addict your child from mobile. And बहुत सारी चीजें जो हम कर सकते हैं which can actually be done at zero cost. My promise was, whatever, after this registration, if you put in little effort, you will be able to surely de-addict your child. But one thing I want to say, एक चीज मुझे बोलनी है, no mission can be made successful. कोई भी मिशन सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो सकता without the support of the parents. जब तक पेरेंट्स का पूरा 100% सपोर्ट नहीं हो. So if you feel कि we can de-addict your child without your support, no. We can de-addict your child only with your support. So parental support is the most important thing. Like for example, I will give you a very small example. मेरे 2 बच्चे हैं. I have 2 boys and बहुत छोटे एज ग्रुप के हैं, 5 years and 3.5 years. And today while I am taking this session, I have full 2 hours of play set up for them so that they don't end up disturbing me. They stay engaged and I focus on my work. So that way, बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं. There are a lot of ways we can engage the child. We can, happily engage the child. The only thought is, मतलब एक सोच जो है जो दिमाग से निकालनी है, वो सबसे important सोच है mess. We are often scared of mess. So I always say one line: a messy home is better than a messy mind, right? So जो screen है, the screen creates a messy mind for your child. Have you seen a child जब वो YouTube देख रहा होता है, when he or she is watching YouTube, ऐसे scrolling करते हैं. So that. So okay, thank you Faraji. I think we can wait for a second. Meanwhile, I'll continue. So when the child is scrolling like this, do you even imagine what is going inside the child's mind? बच्चे के ब्रेन में क्या चल रहा है? It's functioning at the speed tick 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 tick. So the focus span of the child is reducing drastically. They are only attracted to bright things and they're stopping there without understanding what they are watching. It could be anything. It could be a disaster, but they don't understand. And sometimes it's we are parents interacting, so I